Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here. If you've ever picked up the guitar and thought, I wish I could fingerpick like that, then this might just be the most exciting thing that you hear all year, because I've just created something that will quite literally transform your playing one day at a time. It's called 365 Fingerpicking Patterns, 1 year to fingerstyle success, and it is designed to take you from wherever you are right now to total fingerpicking freedom in just 1 year. Most people who try to learn fingerpicking jump around between random YouTube videos and tabs online. They learn a few fingerpicking patterns here and there, but nothing really sticks. And the result is their technique, it never feels solid and secure. And their fingers, they get tangled up over each other when they're learning songs and things like that. And the dream of being able to play beautiful fingerstyle guitar, it just seems always out of reach. And I know this because it was exactly the same for me when I was starting out. That's why I created 365 Fingerpicking Patterns, a complete step-by-step training program with a new pattern for you to master every single day for a year. You'll go from the absolute basics to advanced patterns used by the world's best fingerstyle players, all beautifully organized, explained, and demonstrated so you never have to wonder what to practice next. So imagine this, you wake up each day, grab your guitar and open up your 365 dashboard. You spend just 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes learning that day's pattern. By the end of the week, your fingers are feeling much more in control. By the end of the month, your confidence is soaring. And by the end of the year, you've learned more patterns than most guitarists will learn in a lifetime. And you'll be able to play pretty much any fingerpicking song that inspires you, because finally, your technique will be effortless, fluid, and natural. I've spent over 15 years teaching fingerstyle guitar to hundreds of thousands of students, both in person and online from my YouTube channel and website, sixstringfingerpicking.com. I've seen what works and I've seen what doesn't work, and I've poured everything I've learned into this course, and I truly believe it is by far the most powerful resource I have ever created. So if you're ready to master fingerpicking once and for all, if you want the structure, the motivation, and the exact roadmap for success, then join me inside 365 Fingerpicking Patterns, 1 year to fingerstyle success. You can sign up right now and begin your very first pattern today, and in a year's time, you'll look back and you'll barely be able to recognize your own playing. So click the button below, sign up, get lifetime access, and let's make this year the year that you truly master fingerpicking.